Hello my dear friends, welcome to Fashion Books Office. This is your favorite girl Anu. Today we are going to see the best products in Amazon and especially for the brand which is called Maybelline. I know you want to stock up your beauty product with amazing products, and here is the options available for you, and it can be really get quite confusing to pick the best from the lot. That's the reason why we bring you a list of beauty products from the brand Maybelline. Before going to the video, here are some facts about the Maybelline. The company was created in 1915 and they have really crossed 100 years in the market. And do you know the Maybelline is owned by L'Oreal Market, which is the world's largest cosmetics and the beauty company. Nearly 7.5% of the cosmetics market was shared by this Maybelline. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and click the bell button to know the best products for your needful and their honest reviews. Okay, the first product in our list is Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. I know most of the people have heard about this mascara. It expresses curl lock formula, and this mascara contains sealing wax to make and keep a fully volume curl from the root to tip, and that long lasts for 3 hours nearly. And in Amazon it costs under 216 and the customer rating is 4 out of 5. The design of this product is unique anti-clump applicator brush, and that separates each lash while curling and avoiding clumpy and messy effect. Most of us are facing that clumpy and messy effects when we are applying this mascara. And one more thing is, it is suitable to wear with contact lenses also, and it is available in waterproof and washable variants. You can check out this link in my description box. Let's move on to the second product. It is Fit Me Matte Poreless Compact Powder. It's one of the best product I have seen ever. It's a natural beach matte poreless compact, and it gives a charm look and even tone your skin tone, and it forms a base to your makeup. Most of us are using this compact powder a lot of clumsiness or cakey effect when we apply compact powder, and this compact powder will leave a matte finish, and you can buy it for discounted price of rupees 384 in Amazon, and its rating is 4.2 out of 5. For your information, it is available in 9 color to match your perfect skin color. It is allergy tested, and maximum shelf life of this product is 30 months, which is huge. This is the point I want to notify here, because most of us are investing in some cosmetic which we are expecting them to long last more than a month or more than a 3 months or 6 months. This is the main profitable thing here, because this product's lifetime self-esteem is 30 months. Okay, let's move on to the next product in our list is lip balm. We all love baby lips. The Maybelline is the first to introduce this baby lips. We all are in love because of its texture and the color. The same product is introduced by the Maybelline again with the name of Alia Loves New York Baby Lips Lip Balm. It is infused with SPF 20 formula, and this Broadway red lip balm not only gives the red color or its variant color, also packed with vitamin E and the coconut oil. Nearly 16 hours it gives a continuous moisture, and the price of this product is 166 rupees and the rating is 4.2. And number 4 is matte lipsticks. We are all in love with this matte lipsticks, but the big disadvantages of the matte lipsticks is it will easily dry out our lips. Here is the major default. But in Maybelline, they have introduced the Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. You have all heard about this product. It gives you a flawless matte finish that lasts up to 16 hours. The price of the product is 487. You can check it out in Amazon, and the rating is 4.1. Nearly 4,500 people have given the ratings for this product, and here are some of the highlights for this product. This matte lipstick comes under 28 variant shades from dark to nude, and it lasts for 16 hours. I think at least minimum 10 hours this gives a flawless matte finish, and it is intensely pigmented formula for long lasting, and the main point is it does not dry out our lips. And the last product which you are going to see in this Maybelline best selling product is Fit Me Concealer. I think most of us have used this concealer because this is a highly selling product in the market, especially in Maybelline. Concealer which we use purposefully to cover up our dark spots and pigmentations. The same thing this product gives as a natural looking finish, and its fade out proof concealer will work magically to cover up our pigmentations and dark spots, and also it will cover up our fine lines or wrinkles wherever the damage in our skin, and it gives a flawless finish. The cost of this product is 356 and the rating is 4/5. I could see nearly 13,000 plus ratings in Amazon here. And the highlights of this concealer, it suits for all skin types and the product is available in 3 shades. As you know, it's medium pink, medium nude and medium coral. So guys, these are the best selling products in Maybelline. I have sorted and filtered only the 5 products, the major selling products. So I have given the link of these products in the description box. So please do check. And if you are expecting more to know any product or any product reviews, anything about the product, please leave a comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next video. You can see a lot of videos from FBO hereafter. So thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.